A champion is someone who persists as a visionary dreamer. Children absorb lessons through the actions of adults, not merely their words. Avoid passing judgment, as doing so may lead to being judged in return. Prioritize thoughtful consideration, unwavering belief, the pursuit of dreams, and finally, the courage to take action. Those who dislike solitude truly do not appreciate freedom. Intelligent individuals tackle problems, while wise ones steer clear of them. Live your life as an exclamation rather than an explanation. Financial adversity often propels individuals into daring adventures. Self-respect invites the respect of others. Most so-called setbacks are only temporary setbacks. The content of your thoughts shapes the quality of your mind. There is nothing more intolerable than a state of idleness. Human actions are primarily driven by the levers of fear and self-interest. Forge success from setbacks. Discouragement and failure serve as crucial stepping stones to triumph. Taking action, even if regrettable, is superior to inaction leading to remorse. Life is not about discovering oneself, but rather about creating oneself. True wealth is amassed by enriching the lives of others. The toil of the future will involve pushing buttons. Lies may spread swiftly, but the truth often follows, albeit limping. A friend is a shared soul inhabiting two bodies. Attempting to forget someone means constantly recalling them. Revealing someone else's secret is an act of betrayal, while disclosing your own is foolishness. Cultural decay doesn't necessarily require burning books. Simply discouraging people from reading achieves the same effect. True freedom is achieved only by those who control themselves. Life resembles a play where the excellence of performance matters more than its duration. To comprehend the world, occasionally turn away from it. Our thoughts shape our essence. Manage your mood, for if left unchecked, it may command you. The time for action is now. It is never too late to initiate change. Without courage, wisdom remains unproductive. Mastering the art of living well is intertwined with the art of dying well. Bring your own light into the darkness. To understand your enemy, you must adopt their perspective. The future hinges on present actions. Don't let the past consume too much of today. The appeal of the past lies in its history. Fast women are enticed upon seeing a man with a substantial wallet. Men stray when they feel unneeded, while women do so when they feel unloved.